How to make a glass tumbler in a 3D Blender quick tutorial. Let's create a plane that will play the role of a background. Use the S key to increase the size. Now let's create a cylinder in the same way. Raise it above the plane and switch to edit mode. At the top, select the plane selection mode and select the upper plane. Now press the G button on the keyboard first and then the Z button to lower our plane exactly along the axis. Now press the E key and raise our plane. And using the S key, we increase it a little, creating the shape of the glass. Now we will raise it again using the E key and increase it using S. Well, now we need to make the depth. Use the I key to make the thickness of the walls of the glass. Turn on the transparent mode at the top right so that it is convenient to monitor the thickness of the walls of the glass. Now we also use the E and S keys, but only down. Make sure that the walls of the glass are more or less the same. We'll leave a little more glass at the bottom of the glass for realism. Now let's go back to the normal display mode. This is the simplest 3D model that came out, but without the right material, it doesn't look like a glass. Go to the right menu and edit the material. In the surface menu, select Glass BSDF. Let's create a normal light source right away. Hold down Shift+A and Light and select Area. Set the brightness to 1000 watts. We will also change the color of the glass to green. Now turn on the shading mode at the top right. But as you can see, the glass is still not glass. To do this, switch to render mode and select cycles mode. And I'll choose a GPU device, it works faster for me. We see that it already looks like a glass, but it's not very transparent. For this, let's go back to the materials. We change the roughness setting and play with the values to choose the best option. I got 0.3. We also have a glare setting. I set 1.5. In my opinion, the glass turned out well, but you should experiment with the material settings and achieve the desired result. That's it. It was a simple and quick tutorial on how to make a 3D glass in a Blender. Subscribe to the channel if you are interested in quick and short lessons on Blender 3D.